Hey and welcome to this new video of Mastering Git and GitHub. In this video we will learn about the graph in Git. It's like the history of all commits that we can see in the Git bash with command git show or git log, but but now we will see it in the repository or in GitHub. Let's click inside, and it will give us all the details about the repository. We see here that one person is working in it. Author is one with 8 commits, and 7 commits are pushed, and if we have, for example, do some merge pull request, it will be in here, and all the other feature. If we see here the network and we click to network, we will see this graph, which is a table. The first column, it's an owner, or it's the person. So if we have a lot of person, we will find them in here, and this is, for example, what they did in just the steps that they take to do that. So for example, in each dot in here, that something happened. For the first thing, for example, initial commit, then second, add a new website, change or the change in the graph or the anchor that we update. Here the delete demo txt. Here with the branch master created example .txt. Here we created this demo, and basically everything. So if we are a chief of a team of developers, we can see all the things that they did in the repository and all the things that they did in the project just by seeing this graph. So we can see all the commit that they did with the message and everything, so that they didn't lie to us, and they can't lie to us because we can see and check everything they said. So this is all for this video. See you soon.